Okay, so my husband went out and bought a property, another property. This is my first time seeing it. Let's check it out, you guys. So Ken is showing me this house. He's so excited. So I'm excited too because I want to see the inside. But this one needs a lot of work, but it's going to be a buy and hold, right?
Yes, this is going to be a 3-bedroom rental, 3 beds, 2 baths.
That's it behind us. Let's go ahead and take a look inside, you guys.
So love the wraparound porch.
Okay,
right?
Yeah.
Love the location. Look at corner lot.
Okay.
Nice church across the street. Nicely done houses on the next block.
Okay. Yeah. Nice corner lot. I love that porch. That porch is gonna be nice. Okay. So this is the first time I'm seeing this property.
This is going to be closed up. This is going to be opened up, so it's not a doorway, but it's a legit hall.
Wait a minute, this is gonna be closed
This
up.
is gonna
Okay.
be closed up. That's gonna be closed up. We're gonna lose the fireplace. We're gonna save the hardwood floors.
Hardwood floors.
They're gonna be beautiful.
They will be.
I've got the wood that's coming up. This is a good tip for our viewers. The wood that's coming up from one room, I'm gonna flow into this area when we lose the fireplace and the bad wood there. So you'll see as we go through.
Oh wow.
There's some areas where the we're gonna not need the floor. But look at the height of these ceilings, the beautiful height. These windows, when we open those windows up. All right, so this hallway will be as it is. This will be the entrance to this bedroom.
What was that?
This door will no longer be here. This door will no longer be here.
Okay, this
Then
door
we'll
will
be a
no. It's so
closet.
dark.
There'll be a closet here.
Okay.
You'll see that this door will be here. It will lead to the closet.
Okay. Okay. This is going to be which room?
This is a bedroom.
Bedroom. Okay.
Yep, this will be
Look at the fireplace. It goes from one side to the other.
But we're gonna lose the fireplace.
Oh. So this is how many bedrooms?
3
bedrooms.
This is going to be the master bedroom. So that
is gonna be
again
the
will be
master.
closed. This is the entrance. This will be closed before. This may move over a little bit because this is either going to be the door to the closet that will be there, or this will become the door to be the closet.
Okay.
And then this will become the door to be the bathroom.
Okay.
This wall is going to push out. This wall will push out to the window, making room for a 5x5 bathroom, and the door will be there, getting you in and
Yeah,
out
keep
there.
the light on. Let me see the inside. Can you shine the light in there? Okay.
We're going to narrow the window, heighten it up to the top. This will become the closet for the master. So all of this is going to be drywalled off from there down.
Definitely lead in here.
You see that this is a closet here. This will actually close off drywall.
I can't.
Here. We're going to drywall that off. And of course, this becomes the master bedroom closet that I showed you how we'll access. So all of that.
Okay, here you go.
So this becomes the hall bath, huge hall bath.
It is huge. This is massive.
All of this wood we're going to take up.
Wow, we need a flashlight in here.
So this closes off. These doors close off so that it's only accessible through the hallway.
Okay.
So this is bedroom number 3.
Can you shine the light?
This becomes the closet to the bedroom. Oh, and I showed you that other one becomes that's part of this. I didn't say this, but this closet door there, this box is off. This will be a closet. So box this off here, right here. See that?
Okay.
All right. So this is bedroom number 3.
Okay.
All right. So then this is the kitchen. We're gonna lose those walls there.
Okay, so, okay.
We're losing this. All of this is coming out, so the kitchen becomes a huge space. This becomes the laundry room. We're gonna take out some of this, back this wall up. So you got like a 6-foot laundry room. So this becomes the back door out here, and this becomes the laundry room going all the way back to the back house. So you have a huge kitchen. When we lose all of this is gonna be one big open
It's
space.
really high ceilings.
Yeah.
Plaster. So this is look at these walls. This is when sheetrock was plaster.
And can you shine the light up in there and see how tall that is up in there? So we could easily put another room up there, but not for now. But you know, eventually when we get ready to sell it. But this is gonna rent nicely. 3-bedroom.
And it's a back porch. So they started doing some.
That's my work.
Oh.
That
Okay.
was all right. That was our foundation, the rim joists and the new wood.
Okay.
The rim joists and the wood.
Okay.
So that we repaired already. We repaired the header over that window right there. And that's all we've done to this one so far. Next is all of the framing stuff that I just mentioned.
Okay. That's all right. This is a nice property.
Isn't it nice?
It's really, really, really huge. So tell again so this floor here is just basically gonna be filled in.
Yeah. With
And then the
floor
fireplace.
from the bathroom. The fireplace is gonna be gone on both sides of the wall. New drywall, all that kind of stuff wherever needed. New windows. All right.
Perfect. This is nice. I do. This is nice, nice, nice.
Don't forget to subscribe and let us know what you think about the project in the comments.
So we're currently right now in the medical district. So we're on really the outskirt of the medical district. So right, we're downtown. So today is basically our day that we're just looking at properties. This one property that we just left was my first time seeing this property. Ken purchased this property while I was out of town a couple of weeks ago, and they've already started doing a little work on it. And it was really nice. So now we're gonna go look at another property, which is downtown Augusta. So this property is gonna be a rental.
Yes.
This one is gonna be a rental. So we're gonna check it out and see what has been done to it.
All right. So originally,
You got the lights
there
on.
was the doorway here. Yeah, the lights working here. The doorway was here. There was a ceiling here. We took the ceiling out to get ready for new drywall.
Okay.
We're ready for drywall to go up next week. But
Okay.
this was the entryway here, frame wall. This was all one big room, the living room.
Oh, wow.
The dining room. But you see how it has a closet there? That's going to be a bedroom. So that entryway going into the kitchen, that was the original way into the kitchen. We've closed it off and opened a new way into the kitchen, which is going to give a whole lot more space in the kitchen as well.
So
this is
you put this wall here. It's gonna be a wall. So this was open.
This was open, yep. This
Okay.
is the new wall. We did the reverse of what we usually do.
Okay,
We
so
usually
yeah, that's
remove
when like
the
you
walls,
close
but
it.
here-
Okay, I got you.
Yep, we made this one big opening instead of just the narrow opening that it was. So now
Okay.
you see straight on through.
So this was smaller. This was smaller, and then this wasn't there. I'm just trying to get in my mind. So this was small.
Yes,
this opening was
just
smaller.
Was just here.
Okay, I got
This
you.
is all new opening.
Okay.
All of this is new. Yep.
Okay, I got you. And this fireplace, real fireplace, wood burning fireplace.
Yep.
Okay, and then this room here.
A lot of structural work has been done
let's go
with
to
the
the attic.
floor
Okay.
joists and so. But yeah, this is another real tall attic where we could add new a new
So
room eventually if we chose.
what is this room gonna be?
This is the bedroom.
Okay.
Yep. It connects to the bathroom port here.
I
We're
see.
closing that connection off.
Okay. You
So
are.
that the only entrance to the bathroom for the hall bath will be the hall.
Okay. So why not leave it open, babe?
Because I don't want this. It was 3 ways in. I'm like, that's too much.
Oh, okay, 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 okay. I got you. Okay, so
So now this is the master. And that is an addition. We added that.
this is the master, and that
There's
is
a bathroom there. That's a closet there. There's, if you go, there's a toilet.
Gotta be
and a
careful. It's
tub.
nails.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yep, all of that's new addition.
So this is gonna be okay. Wow. Yeah, I
See
see.
the
This is
tub
all
and
new,
there's
new
a
wood.
Water closet there. See the toilet cut out. Walk around.
Oh, this is gonna be nice.
This is the laundry room.
This is gonna be
Let's
nice.
not walk through there. Let's
Yeah.
go back.
No, we won't.
This is the laundry room already. All
And
the
this is gonna be
plumbing
closed
left
off.
in.
Okay,
Oh, yeah,
so it
this
will
is
not
all
be
closed.
open at all.
Yeah,
This is all a closet, and then
This
so
is the
this.
closet. This is one door.
So then this room is going to be an L shape, basically. That's going to be the water closet. So
Yeah, it's not gonna be.
it's not going to be a closed off, but it's
But
going to
it's
be
gonna be
access
like-
to the toilet there. The tub is here. Shower here. Vanity here.
That's the tub.
A tub and shower mix. Okay, I got you.
And then so that's one room. Then this is a closet, separate room.
Okay.
With 2 separate doors, and this is the bedroom.
And this is the bedroom. Okay, this is the master, the owner's suite.
The owner's suite. Yep. Be careful.
Yeah.
This is the other toilet that's gonna get installed.
Okay.
So we walk out from this bedroom. You can be careful. There's a little net there. This
Okay,
is the
it's a lot
bedroom
of
here,
room.
of course, and there's the 3rd bedroom. So now we converted from a 2-bedroom to a 3.
So what are you gonna do with this fireplace on this end? You're just gonna close it?
We got drywalled up.
Okay, so is it gonna be accessible on the other side?
The
Fireplace.
fireplace will be still a fireplace on the other side.
Okay, so then the electrical panel is gonna be in that bedroom. You're gonna keep it in there.
Yep.
Be careful, babe.
We've had.
Babe, why are you walking on the wood? Is this floor okay to walk on? Like, why are we walking on the wood?
You choose where you want.
Well,
to
you
I'm
taking
fine.
chances. Okay, Lord Jesus.
Careful.
Is this solid and secure?
Yes, everything can be washed.
Okay, I don't have time to be falling through the floor.
So now this is the laundry room from the kitchen.
Okay, this is a laundry
This
room.
is the stove will
Nice.
be here.
I love it.
So you got the stove. You'll have cabinets next to
Yes.
the stove, and all of that wall will be cabinets.
Okay, and then
We
where's
had them
the...
remove this walk-in pantry because when you put the wall, it wasn't a corner pantry. I call it. All of that they just removed last night. So that was a little corner pantry. But when they put the wall here, it's plenty of room for a table then.
So that's what I was going to ask. So the table's going to be like over in that
Over in here, you're gonna have a whole
in this
wall.
section. Okay.
The refrigerator goes in that corner. The rest is cabinets. All of this is open floor space.
Okay.
Yeah.
Was this roof already? It's not replaced.
Nope, it was a new roof already.
Okay.
So that's it. How you like
This
it?
is, I really like it.
It's
I
cool
really like
place.
it. So yeah, I think you did real good or we're doing really good to add that
Third bedroom.
that bedroom there. Yeah, because otherwise it's just a 2-bedroom smaller. So that is really a good move because otherwise, I mean, yeah, it's another sitting area you would have had, but yeah, that's nice.
Yeah, and you still got plenty of common area space.
Yeah,
You got
this is nice.
Kind of like the house we did on Academy with this huge hallway that you could actually put something in this huge hallway.
Yeah.
It's a spiral staircase right in the corner. Going
And
up
then
to
make it
another
go
loft
up.
Living space. Yep.
Yeah, you could do that. So this is gonna be a rental.
Yep.
So this one will be a long-term rental.
Yeah, we'll keep it 5 to 10 years.
So this house is really nice. They've been working on it, and how long do you think it's gonna take to get completed?
Yeah, maybe another 60 days.
Okay. This is good. I like it, babe. Good investment.
So this gives you an idea of what the properties look like as we acquire them. The basically the pre-renovation process, you can see when we walk through them, it's completely dark. So we're trying to let our vision unfold through the dark sometimes in these vacant properties, walking through everything that's in there. But we'll show you the process along the way. And if you check out the next video, you'll have an opportunity to see some of our past projects before and afters. And see you in the next video.